I'm going to be showing you this bird feeder. It is by Nature's Envoy, and it's got 2 compartments. Super excited to see it. I could get the dang thing open. Oh, there we go. Look at it. So I read somewhere that you're supposed to put water next to the food. So I got some bird food, and I'm gonna put a little tray for water in here. So it comes with the suction cups. This is like, it's got a nice little place for the birdies to sit on. Oh, and they're removable trays. So you can like remove it and put it back in there when you're done. Oh, there you go. So you want to make sure you put these. These are the suction cups. Comes with 4 of them. They're flying everywhere. And you just put it in this back here. And you push them up so that they stay. There's our bird feeder. We're gonna go and put it outside. Okay, so I just got some bird feed, some wild bird feed from Albertsons. It was honestly the only kind they had. Oh, I just broke my nail. Lots of seeds in there. Looks like some good foods for the birdies. Look at that. Oh. Now I'm going to put some water on this side. I gotta grab a separate bowl because there's like holes in the bottom of this. You can see the holes. So this. And we're gonna go. So it says we need to wash it before we put it on there. It's so that the suction cups can stick on better to the window. That makes sense. Get the suction cups a little wet before you put it on the window. And we're gonna just put it right here. Make sure you push it in pretty good so that the suction cups don't fall off. And boom! I've got the links for the product right down below. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you!